Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal, Nathan Man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I made my rustic clothes rod. Alright, here we go. How to make a rustic clothes rod. So you guys can see, I got a piece of pine here, and you're going to notice I shave off the sides, give it a bit of an angle. I give it a 13-degree angle, sanded it really good. It's really nice, but still cold, but you know, kind of take the nice weather when you can get it. Sun was out and I was happy. So yeah, sand it really, really good. Sand her good, that's me anyhow. I like getting that really nice smooth feeling. So I believe I used some 220 grit sandpaper. I can't remember. Yeah, you know, give it a real good sanding so you guys can see. I give it some color too right after. Look at my mop in the background there. Yeah, I bought that. Nice mop. Oh yeah, I really like the look of that color. Falling in love with it. Yeah, no, just take your time. There's really, you know, with stuff like this, you know, there's no right or wrong way to do this. So yeah, I got all that on. I didn't film it, but I do put a layer of gloss on after, just to help spice it up a little, make it look a little shinier. So now I've got two of them because I cut it in half. And I get my hole saw. I got the end of a shovel, and I cut the end of a shovel to be where I'm gonna hang my clothes. So I measured the width of this closet, cut the two pieces, cut a hole perfect to size. But look at this smoke, it's burning. Yeah, but no, it worked pretty good. Gave it a little test try. I like it so far. Yeah, it goes to show you. I just used a shovel. That was it. Oh crap! It fell. Yeah, that almost fell right on me. So guys, a safe bet, which is what I did, is I wanted to get some screws in the corners because I know studs are there. Yeah, you can see I made a mark from one right in the middle there. See, I get that side that you can't see. I know, guys, I'm sorry. You can't see this very well. There's really no good way to film inside of a closet. So you guys can see. Okay, got that side hopefully done. We're going to find out in a minute. Yeah, I really like the look of that. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, now giving a little bit of a measurement. Oh crap, a little too much pack out and in. That looks pretty good to me. Doesn't look bad, eh? I want to make it just perfect. That's one thing too. You want to make sure you take your time with this. Make sure it's nice and level. Because, you know, you don't want to have it cockeyed, right? You know, because then all of a sudden your clothes are going to start going, where am I going? I decided to look at the camera. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, measured a little more. I threw a level up there. Yeah, doesn't look bad. You guys will notice too, something else I did with the shovel is the handle of it. There was a bit of a crown on the one side of it, so I made it so that way the crown is facing up, so that way, you know, all the weight of the clothes, it'll balance itself out. It's kind of the idea like when you're building a deck, right? You want to try to make sure that the supporting beams, you know, the crown is up. Just helps make it more stronger. So yeah, get the screws in the corners, and then you can add in some other ones if you'd like. But I don't know. I think you'd probably be safe. Here's the shot. Ooh, looks pretty nice, eh? Yeah, it turned out not bad. I like it. Fancy pantsy. Yeah, and I'm giving it a little bit of a jiggle. Yeah, I like it. Oh, look at that color. Well there, guys, if you've enjoyed this
video, learn something new, please leave a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Please subscribe for more, guys. Hit that bell. Hope that you guys all have a awesome Easter weekend wherever you are in the world, and I will see you guys all next Wednesday.